So I'm muting myself. You can start your play. Okay.
Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to enact a dispute between a biotech company and a pharmaceutical company and how arbitration helped in resolving the dispute between the two parties. The roles played are myself, Subiksha, will be the narrator of this play. Sumit will be the president of biotech company. Lakshya will be the CEO of biotech company. Shreya will be the president or representative of pharmaceutical company. Ratnendra will be the researcher at pharma company. And Sai Shrikar will be the arbitrator. Genesis, a biotech company which is a holder of several process patents for the extraction and purification of compounds with medical users, entered into a license and development agreement with the pharmaceutical company Pharmasol. The pharmaceutical company had considerable expertise in the medical application of the substance related to the patents held by the biotech company. The parties had arrived at a conclusion and decided to sign a contract which stated that the biotech company Genesis would provide the pharmaceutical company Pharmasol with the required necessary formula for the preparation of the painkillers using their compound and would also provide sufficient capital for the production of the medicine. The parties included in their contract a clause stating that if at all any disputes arise out of their agreement, then it would be resolved by a sole arbitrator under the WIPO arbitration rules. Scene 1. In this scene, we'll see the conversation between two companies' president and how they arrive at a conclusion and sign the contract.
Here are the contract paper, ma'am. The contract has covered all the clauses which we had discussed earlier. Please have a look.
Yes, it looks all good. I'm ready to sign the contract.
All right, Ms. Shreya. As soon as you sign the contract, I think your team should start the work. All the funds that are required, covering all your expenses, would be soon transferred to your company's account, as a sheet of a copy of the formula for the production of drugs would be soon would be given to your chief researcher who is in command, and along with the schedule which we agreed upon. I guess after that, as soon as we complete all the legal work and we are done with the paperwork that are required, you guys will start the work.
Yes, sure. Me and my staff will try to work to our maximum potential and finish the order before the deadline that has been decided by us. We shall
We
take a
hope,
leave now. Thank you again.
yeah, yeah. We hope that this brings positive results for both the companies. Thank you.
Yes, sure. Thank you.
After Shreya leaves the meeting, the CEO and the president of the biotech company discuss something in private.
Hello, sir. Would they
Yes,
come to
Mr.
know about it? Would they come to know about it?
Don't worry, Mr. Sumit. Definitely not.
Okay, sir.
The representative of the pharma company is thrilled and happy because their company has received a huge order. The representative immediately rushes to share this good news with the researcher, Mr. Ratnendra. Scene 2. At the pharma company.
Mr. Ratnendra, I have a great news to share with you. Genesis Company has given us a huge order for the development of their biotech compound VX60, which is a pain inhibitor and can be used in painkillers. We need to start the production of the painkillers using this compound as soon as possible.
Okay, ma'am. Me and my team will perform trials in order to check the safety of the compound. And if it matches with our safety profiles, then we'll start the production as soon as possible.
All right then. We'll be receiving the compound within a week. Please keep me updated with the results.
Sure, ma'am.
After 4 months, the biotech company and pharma company decided to have a meeting to discuss the progress that has been made with respect to the production of the drug. Scene 3. On the meeting day, the CEO and president of biotech company and president of pharma company meet up to decide the status of production.
So, how's the production going and how many units have you finished producing?
Actually, we haven't even reached the production stage yet. We are still trying to carry out the safety trials of the compound that has been received by us.
Wait, what? It is quite inappropriate, Ms. Shreya. You guys haven't even started with the production work yet. And you just mentioned about the clinical trials. Are you questioning our accountability? We are one of the veterans, Ms. Shreya, in this field. So I guess you should just check before questioning our company's accountability.
I know that Genesis is a well-reputed company.
No. But I guess you should not waste any money and funds in carrying out these clinical trials, because it will now start affecting yours as well as our profits.
It's not about wasting time and money, but there are some drug regulations that we need to follow. But I assure you that once the trials are completed, we'll start the production right away.
Again, when Shreya leaves the meeting, the CEO and president of the biotech company discuss something in private.
Sir, do you think they will find it out?
Don't worry, Mr. Sumit. I have been in this field for long years, so I guess we'll be able to bail out this situation. Don't
Okay,
worry.
sir. Thank you, sir.
After another 2 months, the biotech company members start becoming a bit suspicious and inquire about the status of the production. Scene 4. At the biotech company, Mr. Lakshya and Mr. Sumit have a conversation among themselves.
Okay. Good morning, Mr. Sumit.
Good morning, sir.
Sumit, can you please update me on the status of the work that has been completed by the Pharmasol company? You must have contacted them recently.
Yes, sir. I had sent them a mail asking this. They replied that they haven't started the production till now.
Now that's quite inappropriate, because soon we'll start to have loss regarding this contract. I suggest, Mr. Sumit, that we should break this deal and in order to make more profit. What do you suggest, Mr. Sumit?
I completely agree with you, sir. The painkiller should have reached the market till now according to our plan.
Yeah, exactly, Mr. Sumit. The Pharmasol company is way behind their schedule, and I guess we need to exercise a clause as per the contract, and we should settle these things in a legal matter. I think we need to settle this matter through an arbitrator, so that we could get all the compensation for the losses in terms of time and money.
Absolutely, sir.
The biotech company terminated the contract, claiming that the pharmaceutical company had deliberately delayed the development of the biotech compound. The biotech company filed a request for arbitration claiming substantial damages. The pharma company and biotech company approach an arbitrator to settle this matter quickly. Scene 5. Meeting with the arbitrator.
Very good morning. I would like both the parties to present their grievances concerning the case.
Good morning, sir. Sir, as you must have been known, over the last 6 months, Pharmasol company has failed ridiculously. The company hasn't been able to even set up the production unit yet, and according to the schedule, they must have minimum completed and carried out around 70 to 60% of the production, and around 20 to 30% of the batches should have been in the market. Because of this, our company is having a lot of debt and losses. So I guess we demand a compensation from the Pharmasol company to make up for all our losses.
Yes, actually, it is quite evident from the reports that have been provided by the biotech and the pharma company that no actual production work has been carried out that both the parties have agreed to concerning the drug. Do you have anything to say about this, ma'am?
Yes, it's true that we haven't started the production yet, but according to the contract, we still have a month left to finish the production of the drugs. And I feel this isn't appropriate that the contract should be terminated this way without any prior information being provided to us.
But Ms. Shreya, your company hasn't even, you just stated that your company hasn't even done with the production, you setting of the production unit yet. So how can we trust that you guys will be able to pull off this miracle, I would say, to carry out this work? So I guess because if you'll take more time, we'll start to go in the loss. So how can we trust you guys?
Okay. Calm down, Mr. Lakshya. Do you have anything to say about this, Ms. Shreya?
Yes, sir. So please grant our team just another month as stated in the contract and let's have a meeting again, sir.
Well, okay then. Keeping the best interest of both the parties and as mentioned in the contract, I grant another month to the pharma company and we can have a meeting as well the following month as required by the pharma company president.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
After 1 month, the parties meet the arbitrator as decided earlier. Scene 6. Meeting with the arbitrator after a month.
Ms. Shreya, I'm hoping that your team has now finished the production according to the contract then.
No, sir, we haven't. But we have something even more important to confront concerning the compound that we have received from the biotech company. I would like our company's chief, Mr. Ratnendra, to disclose this information that we have obtained.
Yes, please go ahead.
Yes, sir. So me and my team had performed a lot of analysis on the compound that was provided to us by the company. After validations of the result, we found that the compound that we were provided with isn't entirely safe for the production because it has addictive effects on the patient and can harm them very severely. So this compound didn't meet our tolerability profiles, and even in some of the countries, the compound has been banned. So here you can see a copy of the report, and please check the results and analysis.
Well, I have a question for you guys actually. If what
Yes,
you're
sir.
saying is all true, then why have you decided to disclose this matter towards the end?
Sir, as you see, this was the main reason why we had delayed the production of the drug. The researcher, along with his team, wanted to carry out clinical trials thoroughly before passing any false allegations against the biotech company and hence putting the company's reputation at risk. Also, we cannot produce medicines that will harm our patients. We felt that no good will happen to our company by putting the lives of people at stake to satisfy our own selfish interest.
That's what I feared from the beginning.
Do you have anything to say about this, Laksh?
No, sir.
Well, okay then. I will take a while to comprehend these results and I would like to pass the final judgment after 2 weeks.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Scene 7. After 2 weeks.
After going to the reports that have been submitted by the pharma company and discussing with the panel of members that have a keen insight behind the chemistry of the pharmaceutical products, I would like to state that the biotech compound VX60 is unsafe. Also, an arbitration award must be given by the biotech company to the pharma company for not disclosing complete information about the compound.
Also, sir, we would like a compensation of rupees 50 lakhs because the amount of time and effort we spent over the production of their drug went all futile. Moreover, the goodwill and reputation of our company has been badly affected due to the false allegations passed by them. Hence, along with the compensation, I would like them to pass a disclosure stating that the compound is not safe for production.
Okay, Mr. Lakshya, do you agree to the conditions that have been put forward by the representative of the pharma company then?
Yes, exactly, sir. First of all, I like to issue an apology to Ms. Shreya and Pharmasol company for making the mess of the situation. And sir, in my defense, I would like to say that our chief researcher was quite informative, did know about this problem, and we were working on it day and night to just get rid of it and get an alternative for that. But sir, as you know, in the market, the demand for this medicine has increased exponentially. So in order to make more profit, we gave a green flag for this. But I think that was quite that was not professional of us and was quite inappropriate. And hence, sir, we would I agreed. Me and my company agreed to give all the compensation to the Pharmasol company. Due to because if they have any image which they have got tarnished.
Well, actually, I'm glad that you have at least realized your mistake rather than being surreptitious about it. I hope you refrain yourself from doing such activities in the future, as the demands put forth by the pharma company representative have been accepted by the biotech president. An arbitration award of 50 lakhs must be given to the pharma company by the biotech company. Also, a disclosure statement has to be given by the biotech company in which they will be having to concede to the demands put forward by the pharma representative appropriately. Well, here are the settlement papers then. Please sign them. The arbitration ends here.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
In this way, the arbitration process was carried out by a sole arbitrator to resolve the dispute between the two parties. In accordance with the time schedule agreed by the parties, the final award to the pharma company was rendered within 3 months of the commencement of the arbitration. Thank you.